everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to week 2 of our language learning series. Okay, friends, whoever is new to this channel and you're watching the video for the first time, this is a 21-day challenge which is divided into 3 weeks. Okay, so the last week I have made a week 1 video. In that video, we have mainly focused on English grammar, that is very basic English grammar. That is, we have mainly focused on simple present tense and verb to be. So, if you're really interested in taking up this challenge to improve your English language, so I have pasted the link in the description. Please view the first video, week 1 video. So now let us continue with the week 2 video. Okay, so this week we are mainly focusing on two important skills, that is the listening comprehension and speaking fluency. So to improve listening, we will practice listening to simple dialogues. Okay, friends, you will listen to the short conversations and repeat the key phrases to help you understand better. Okay, this will also help you to get used to how the language sounds. Okay, then for speaking, we will work on common phrases you can use in everyday situations. Things like getting people, ordering food, or asking for directions. So, practice these phrases will help you speak more naturally and fluently. Okay, the main goal is to improve the listening comprehension and speaking fluency. Okay, friends. So again, in week 2, we are going to divide the days. Okay, from day 8 to day 10, we will be focusing mainly on listening practice. Okay, friends. So, for example, you have to take up some simple English conversations. Okay, you have to go through the simple English conversations between the two people. Okay, you have to listen to the conversation and you have to stop the video and you have to listen, and you should also try to frame the answers for those questions. So I'm going to play a very small conversation between the two girls. Okay, so please try to listen to the conversation between the two girls and you try to learn the answers or questions, how the question is asked and how to answer. Okay, you mainly focus on the key phrases like what's your name, how are you, where do you live. Okay, how the question is being asked and how to answer those questions. Okay, friends, so let's start the video.
How are you? I'm good. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. What's your name? My name is Sarah. What's your name? My name is Anna. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Anna, where are you from? I'm from India. What about you? I'm from UK. Where do you live? I live in London. And you? I live in Bangalore. How old are you? I am 23 years old. You? I am 21 years old. Okay, good. What do you do? I'm an artist. What about you? I'm a student. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have an older sister. Okay, fine. What about you? I have two brothers. Great! Do you like to travel? Yes, I love traveling. What is your favorite food? I love pizza. What's yours? I really like biryani. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a cat. Do you? No, I don't have any pets. What do you like to do in your free time? I like to draw and watch movies. Can you speak any other languages? Yes, I can speak Japanese and English. What about you? I can talk French and a little bit of Spanish. Oh, that's good. It was really nice talking to you, Anna. Yes, it was great chatting with you too, Sarah. Have a wonderful day. Thank you, and you too.
Okay, then I hope you have gone through the conversation, friends. Now, shall I ask some questions for you people? So, how many people was there in the conversation? And what was the first question asked? And can you name the girls' names? So you can tell me the answers in the comments. Okay, friends, this was between day 8 to day 10, day 11 to day 30. That is speaking practice. So in this day 11 to day 13, we'll be mainly focusing on speaking. Okay, friends. So in order to improve your speaking, you have to mainly tell about yourself. Like example, introduce yourself or talk about your daily routine. Okay, or describe your favorite place. So let me give an example. See, first of all, introducing yourself. How you are going to introduce yourself? So let me give an example. See, hi, my name is Radha. I am from India. I like to play hockey and my hobbies are singing, drawing. Okay, then I am studying in 10th standard. Okay, so this was your introduction. So this is how you have to introduce yourself. I'm just giving a very basic introduction, friends. I'm not going deeper. Okay, this will be just for your reference. So this will be an example for you to practice. So this is the way you have to introduce yourself. Okay, then nextly we will take the daily routine. For example, for daily routine is see uh, what you will do in a day. You have to describe that. Okay, so how you will tell that is every day I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast and I go to work at 9 a.m. Then I do my work in the office and I attend meetings. I make presentations. Okay. Then after that, in the evening, I come back from the office. Then I relax myself with a cup of coffee and with a book in my hand. Okay, then I will prepare my dinner, then go have it and go for a walk. Then I talk to my parents, then I go for sleep. This is how you have to describe your daily routine. Okay, friends. Then next is you have to describe about your favorite place. So, which you can just describe, not too lengthy. You can just frame like two, three sentences at least. Okay, friends. So day 11 to day 13, you're going to do this. Okay, day 11, day 12, day 3 days, three conversations. Three things you have to do. First one is introduce yourself, then you can talk about your daily routine or describe about your favorite place. Next thing is how to learn this speaking. So the first thing is learning this speaking is you have to do the mirror practice. Okay, friends, I'm going to tell one sentence. You try to repeat that sentence in front of by standing in front of the mirror. I like I like to do drawing in my free time. So you try to repeat those words. I like to do the drawing in my free time. Okay, next is I love my country. My favorite spot is the museum nearby my house. So, this is the way you have to take the simple sentences and try to repeat it. If there is a no partner, you have to do the mirror practice. Take a sentence like my name is. So, take a sentence and try to tell aloud in front of the mirror. Okay, and also record yourself. Okay, friends, always try to speak and try to record yourself. Today you are done mistake, then tomorrow you will learn. Okay, try to speak and listen to the errors. What errors you have done? Okay, then you have try to overcome those mistakes. Okay, friends, try to avoid those mistakes next time. Okay, then the next is day 14. Day 14, you have to do some speaking exercises. Okay, you have to do some role play with a partner or practice. If you don't have a partner, there is no issue. You can stand in front of the mirror and try to talk to yourself. You think the mirror image will be your partner. Okay, friends. For example, imagine you are meeting someone for the first time. Okay, then you have to introduce yourself, right? And ask about their day. Okay, friends, you imagine that you're meeting the person for the first time and introduce yourself and ask how was their day, and ask questions like where are you from, what do you do, and how was your day, and what all you did in that day. Try to ask those questions. Okay, if you don't have a partner, you stand in front of the mirror and try to ask the questions like how are you, where are you from, and how was your day. Okay, friends, so this was for this week. I hope you are understanding the things. Okay, so this will be your task for day. Okay, friends. So we will meet in the next session of week 3. So I hope you are understanding the things. People who are taking up this challenge, please try to do this in this week. Okay, if you have liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.